a little bit of baking soda on the flour to get it fluffy. Okay. Yeah, to get it baking in the oven. I'm gonna add some more seasons to it. Hold on. This is the baking powder. Hold on a minute. Okay. You see what this is? It's mixed spice for bacon. You want to make sure you get all the edges of the Pyrex dish, whether you're using a Pyrex dish or you going in. See that? Now this is the dough for the pizza. You want to make sure what you're doing the right thing. So I'm gonna add some baking powder in there. That's this one. See that? Oh, I'm gonna add some butter to it. Alright, let's put a little piece of butter in here. Put on top. Yeah, you don't need a lot of butter. Butter make it so nice. Okay. I'm gonna put it back in the fridge. This is beautiful. Okay, so how it looks, guys, it looks really flat. See that? So what you're gonna do now is you're gonna add the toppings to it. So these are the toppings. I have chicken breast here. I have bacon there too. You know. So you're gonna add the tops to it. See, then you're gonna add some bacon to it. see what's up? That's how it looks. See that? Okay. I have some sauce here. Hold on. Barbecue sauce. Okay, somebody gave me an idea because I had no idea of using this thing. Okay, let me get a spoon. I'm gonna use some barbecue sauce on there. Okay. What a waste. Whose idea was that? It was one of you guys, because I never wasn't going to use all this stuff. It had to be one of you guys. Are you serious? It smells so tasty already. Wow, it smells so good. It smells really good, guys. Okay, so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna add the toppings to it. Well, the onions, the sweet pepper, all that. It smells so good. It smells just like Pizza Hut. That's crazy. Yeah. Okay. And we're gonna add the cheese to it, y'all. We're gonna add the cheese to it. This is going to be really cheesy. Okay, so let's see how it looks. Looks great. So that's how it looks. Okay, like so. And now is I'm gonna put it in the oven as we speak. So that's the pasta, you guys. See how good it looks? I'm gonna cook it for like an hour and then it should be ready to eat. Just a moment here. Okay. Yeah, sometimes you're gonna need time because remember the chicken breast is there, okay? And you have to cook the chicken breast, right? Hold on, I'm gonna get a paper so I could light the oven from there. Hold on. We are, okay. Stay right there, I'll be right back. Is there, you guys. There's chicken breast and so on. It's gonna taste so good. I just know it. Yeah. So we're making a pasta today, y'all. What are you doing? We're making a pasta. So in 1 hour, we should take it out and it should look really great. Just give me some time and you'll see what's going on. Yeah. me to clean up after I cooked. In an hour, we should take out the pasta, y'all. I need to time the pasta for me. Give me 1 hour, and it's gonna be so delicious.